In this tutorial, we're going to look at SUMIF. Previously, you may have looked at one of my tutorials on COUNTIF, where it counts the number of times a certain sandwich name or a certain word appears in a particular range. Okay, but in this one, this is SUMIF. In SUMIF, what it does, it basically finds out, firstly, SUMIF, what it does, it finds out how many times a certain word appears in a range, like cheese and onion. Then the quantity per week, what it will do, so if it's 6, 3, 4 and 2, what it'll do, it'll add them up, so do a sum for those quantities. So that's what we're going to look at. So here, how many tuna sandwiches were sold this week? Okay, so to do that, we need to use a SUMIF formula. So equals SUMIF, open bracket, okay, the range, okay. The range, we want to find out the quantity. So in COUNTIF, okay, all you did was highlight the sandwich name. However, this time we're going to highlight the quantity per week as well, because the sandwich name appears in this column. So to find the sandwich name, okay, to find tuna, we'll have to highlight that column. But then we also want to count up the amount of quantity that was sold. So we need both the sandwich name and the quantity per week this time. I'm going to click on comma, then the criteria. So the name, okay, tuna sandwich is what we want to find out. So tuna, so count. So what this does now is it's highlighted that column, and then what it does is, because we selected the criteria we're looking for is tuna, what we'll do is just highlight tuna and eliminate everything else. So tuna and then the sum range. This is the range where the quantity is that will be added together. So obviously you can't add letters together, so you don't want to highlight sandwich name, but you want to highlight quantity per week, as that's what you're going to add together. Okay, so once you've done that, close bracket, enter. So equals SUMIF, the range you're going to look at is E7 to F15, so that's from here to here. You're going to, in that range, you're going to look for the word tuna. So what you'll do is eliminate everything else and just concentrate on this and this. So these two rows, and then and obviously do a sum for F7 to F15. So in between those cells, so what you'll do is add 6 and add 3. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. That's a SUMIF function. Sorry, so SUMIF formula.